team, I want to discuss the importance of proper handling and disposal of personal devices in the healthcare setting. These devices can harbor bacteria and viruses, contributing to the spread of infections.
That's a good point, Mihira. I've seen staff using personal devices in patient care areas.
Using personal devices in patient care areas can increase the risk of contamination. We need to establish guidelines for the use of personal devices in the hospital.
Should we prohibit the use of personal devices altogether?
That might be impractical. Instead, we can designate specific areas for the use of personal devices. We should also encourage staff to clean and disinfect their devices regularly.
What about patient-owned devices, Mihira? Should we allow patients to use their personal devices in the hospital?
We can establish guidelines for the use of patient-owned devices. Patients should be encouraged to clean and disinfect their devices before and after use. We can also provide designated charging areas to minimize the spread of germs.
I understand that the idea of having a pacemaker fitted can feel overwhelming, Mihira. So let me explain in simple terms what it does and why it is so important for you. Think of your heart as a powerful engine, and it has its own natural electrical system that tells it when to beat. In your case, that electrical system is sending signals a little too slowly, which is a condition we call bradycardia. This means your heart sometimes beats too slowly to pump enough blood to the rest of your body, which is likely why you have been feeling so tired, dizzy, and short of breath. A pacemaker is a small, clever device that we implant under your skin to act as a backup for that natural system. It gently sends tiny, painless electrical impulses to your heart, encouraging it to beat at a normal, healthy rate. By doing this, it ensures your heart pumps enough blood and oxygen to your brain and muscles. This will significantly reduce your risks of fainting or more serious complications. Most importantly, once it is working, you should start to feel like your old self again, with more energy, no more dizziness, and the confidence to go about your daily life without that constant worry.